Like, I've realized, arguing with the ladies like a boxing match between Mary Kom and a punching bag. And when you're a punching bag, you can't attack, you can't defend, you can't even get knocked out. You just stay there and take the punches. And women know that they'll never lose an argument. But they'll still argue with you sometimes purely, yaar, bade din ho gaye, warm up nahi hua aap. So you'll get a call. यार मौसम बड़ा अच्छा हो रहा, पकौड़े ले आओगे? हाँ ले आऊंगा. तुमको शाम तक याद रहेगा? हाँ ले आऊंगा. ऐसा तुम ना रिमाइंडर लगा लो. नहीं ले आऊंगा यार, मेरे को याद रहेगा. मैं शाम को एक बार व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगी. अरे यार बोल तो रहा हूँ ले आऊंगा. सुनो तुम इरिटेट क्यों हो रहे हो? Men and women both play mind games. Men and women both play mind games. The difference is that a woman is playing chess. So she thinks 15 moves ahead. A man is just playing Ludo. 6 aaje.